Now this website, hold on a second, let me test my screen here. Alright, the website, as you can see, is called Earn Easy Commissions. And what I like about it is that it's completely free to join, and you can earn money on this by just collecting emails, like I said before. It completely walks you through everything on how to get started. You get your referral link, maximizing tips on maximizing your earnings. What I like also is as step 4, a plan for you to make 0 to 10K in your journey. It has a video that walks you through it, but here are different videos you can look at that kind of breaks it down for you. And this one is a plan of, it's a full game plan of how you can really make money with this system. Up here you can check on your list of referrals. We also have done for you marketing materials, your email swipes, your banner ads, and your Facebook images that you can use